Imagine a life where your dreams, whether mastering a skill, building a meaningful career, or finding inner peace, aren't just wishes, but realities, forged not through grand gestures, but through the quiet, steady rhythm of daily effort. Consistency is the unsung hero of transformation, turning small actions into monumental outcomes like drops of water carving a canyon. Yet, in a world of instant gratification and fleeting motivation, staying consistent feels like wrestling a restless mind. The Buddha, whose path to enlightenment was built on relentless daily practice, knew consistency's power to shape destiny. His teachings offer practical, profound tools to harness this force, making every step a victory. Let's dive into the Buddhist-inspired path to unlock the power of consistency, transforming your life one intentional act at a time. In the Buddhist view, consistency is, well, the heartbeat of right effort, virya, a steady commitment to align actions with purpose, even when distractions or doubts creep in. The Buddha's awakening, wasn't just a single epiphany. It was actually the fruit of years of daily meditation, reflection, and ethical living. You face the same opportunity, consistent steps toward your goals, like writing every day, exercising regularly, or practicing kindness. These, over time, build a life of real meaning. But, inconsistency creeps in through craving, tanha, for quick results, or aversion to discomfort, and that creates suffering or dukkha. The first tool is mindfulness, really, the practice of staying present with your actions. It anchors you to the moment, and that's actually where consistency lives. A wandering mind, thinking this is too slow, I'll do it later, breaks your streak. Mindfulness, though, keeps you focused, making each step, deliberate. Picture this. You're learning guitar, but practice feels tedious. I'm not improving, why bother? Now just pause. Feel your breath, slow and steady. Notice the string's texture, the room's hum, the chair's support. So, label the thought frustration. This grounds you, letting you play one chord with care. The Buddha, used mindfulness to face distractions, staying consistent. You can too, building habits moment by moment. Practice it. Start with 5 minutes daily. Just sit, focus on your breath. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. When thoughts arise like, I'm too busy, or this isn't working, note them as thinking and return to the breath. In daily life, it's important to pause when consistency wavers. Just take a moment to feel your surroundings, name the urge, procrastination, and then act, even if it's just studying for 5 minutes. Track it. Journal one mindful moment each day, like, say, noticing a distraction and practicing anyway. Mindfulness builds a mind that stays present, fueling consistency through awareness. The second tool is right intention, or sankappa, the Buddhist principle of aligning your actions with purpose and kindness. Consistency falters when your why is shaky. I'm doing this for likes, not love. Right intention ties your efforts to meaning, making daily steps feel vital. You're trying to meditate daily, but your mind tempts you. I'll skip today, it's not a big deal. Pause. Set an intention. I meditate to find peace. This anchors you, making the cushion more inviting. The Buddha's intentions drove his daily practice. Yours can drive your consistency. Practice it. Before a task, just spend 2 minutes setting an intention, like I act with purpose, or maybe I grow through effort. Write it down, keep it visible. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice when intention fades, when you catch yourself thinking, this is pointless, and renew it. In daily life, check hourly. Are your actions meaningful? If you skip a workout, reframe it, I'm building health. And then act on it, like, stretching for 5 minutes. So, track it. Journal just one intentional moment every day, like, say, writing with purpose instead of just rushing through. Right intention, builds a mind that actually commits, and that's what sustains consistency through real meaning. The third tool is right effort, or virya, which is the Buddhist practice of balanced, sustained energy. Inconsistency, more often than not, comes from erratic effort, overdoing it one day and then, crashing the next. Right effort is really like tending a fire. It should be steady, not blazing out of control or fading away. You're building a side hustle, but exhaustion tempts you. I'll rest today, but, just pause for a moment. Commit to one small task, like drafting an email. The Buddha's effort was relentless yet gentle, leading to awakening. Yours can lead to progress, one consistent step at a time. Practice it. Break goals into daily micro-tasks. 10 minutes of reading, one healthy meal. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice the urge to quit, like when you think, I'm too tired, and gently persist. If you overpush, maybe feeling like, I must do everything, just note it and balance with rest. In daily life, set a one-step rule, act on one task within 5 minutes, like jotting down just one idea. Track it. Journal 1. Effort moment daily, maybe something like practicing a skill even when you're feeling tired. Right effort builds a mind that endures, sustaining consistency through steady progress. The 4th tool is gratitude, a Buddhist practice to shift from lack to abundance. Inconsistency thrives on discontent. I'm not there yet, this is too hard. Gratitude roots you in what's good, making daily steps feel rewarding. You're saving money, but progress feels slow. I'll never have enough. Pause. Name 3 gratitudes. A steady job, a frugal choice, your discipline. This reframes effort as a gift. The Buddha's gratitude fueled his path. Yours can fuel your consistency. Practice it nightly. List 3 gratitudes tied to your efforts. Write or say them like a completed task or your persistence. Feel each like your pen's weight. Pair it with mindfulness as you work. Thank one thing. Your tools, your time. If negativity tempts, this isn't enough. Counter with one gratitude. I'm here, growing. In daily life, thank one effort hourly, a finished email, a kind act. Track it. Journal one grateful moment daily, like appreciating a small step. Gratitude builds a mind that's content, sustaining consistency through joy. The 5th tool is impermanence, the Buddhist truth that everything changes, setbacks, doubts, even motivation. Inconsistency often stems from feeling stuck. I'm not improving, this is forever. Impermanence frees you. This struggle is temporary. Your efforts are shifting your path. You're learning to code, but errors frustrate you. I'll never get this. Pause, say, this is now, not forever. Then act debug one line. The Buddha saw change as liberation, persisting daily. You can persist too. Small steps reshape your reality. Practice it, reflect daily. What challenge faded last week? Pair it with a mantra. This will pass. When doubt hits, I'm failing. Write one way progress could emerge. A new resource. Practice. Act on it, like watching a tutorial. If you cling, but I'm stuck, breathe and repeat the mantra. In daily life, notice impermanence. A frustration eases, a skill grows. Track it. Journal one impermanent moment daily, like, say, pushing through a tough day. Impermanence builds a mind that adapts, sustaining consistency through resilience. The 6th tool is metta, or loving kindness, the Buddha's practice to cultivate compassion for yourself and others. Inconsistency can stem from self-criticism, like, I'm lazy, I keep slipping, or resentment, thinking others are ahead. Metta softens this, fostering kindness that supports daily effort. You're exercising, but you miss a day. Maybe you think, I'm such a failure. Pause. Wish yourself well. May I be strong. Then others, may you thrive. This inspires action, like taking a short walk. The Buddha's metta built connection. Yours can build consistency. Practice it. Spend 5 minutes daily on metta. Wish well, yourself, a loved one, a neutral person, a rival. May you be happy, may you grow. Feel the words softening your heart. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice resistance, I can't cheer myself, and return to the wish. In daily life, act on one kind thought hourly. Encourage a peer. Thank yourself for trying. Track it. Journal one metta moment daily, like wishing success to a competitor and working anyway. Metta builds a mind that's supportive, sustaining consistency through compassion. These 6 tools, mindfulness, right intention, right effort, gratitude, impermanence, metta, unleash the power of consistency by shifting your mind from distraction to dedication. The Buddha's daily steps led to liberation. Yours can lead to transformation. You're not your lapses, you're the effort, the purpose, the heart that keeps going. Start now. Take a mindful breath, set one intention and act on one small step. Consistency's power is yours. Build your dreams one day at a time.